This tutorial will explore geometric transformations, translation, rotation, scale, and mirror. Each transformation is a parametric object. This may be surprising at first to CAD users, but it is a great advantage, and we shall see why. A cube centered at the Cartesian origin is already present. Next, using the Rhino command, create a cube anywhere in space, which is added to the RhinoParametrics tree. Now let us edit it to specify exact dimensions and location. First, we shall change its creation method to center, length, and width. This allows the location of its creation reference point to be positioned arbitrarily. We shall choose the center of one of its faces. Next, specify the cube's edge length. And finally, specify the spatial coordinates of the reference point to be the origin. Now we shall create a translation object. Move the cube by dragging and dropping it. RhinoParametrics offers to create a move object. Accept. The tree now collects the new move object and is defining original cube object. Now rotate the translated cube using RhinoParametrics. Click on the cube to open the menu, and then right-click on the rotation icon. Fill the various fields. Specify the Cartesian origin as the reference point for rotation, the rotation angle, and the rotation axis orientation. This has created a rotate object. Now let us create a mirror object and then scale it. Select mirror and then select the rotation object. A mirror object has been created. To scale, click on the scale icon, select the mirror object, and for global scale, check the box and specify the global scale value. A scale factor is applied using the Cartesian origin as the reference. To select a different transformation origin, let us select a different scale creation method. We shall use points and scale XYZ. Now select the object to be scaled again. We're missing a reference point, so let us use a Rhino command to select one. Create a point in the middle of the mirror object, and then select it as the transformation origin. Finally, specify a scale factor in the Scale tab. A new object is created. These are the main geometric transformations offered by RhinoParametrics. Another interesting and powerful tool is the orientation object, covered in another tutorial. Finally, let us modify the original cube and see all the downstream objects update. Let us select the original cube, right-click to open the contextual menu, and let us increase its size. Click OK and watch the various downstream objects update. Associated objects are modified in sequence: the translation, the rotation, the mirror, and finally the scale. The same can be done with the move and rotate objects. Move the translation object by dragging and dropping it, or change the move parameter in the dialog. This often allows creating geometry at some distance from the model scene and operating on the final model construction by acting on the original objects. Modifying the original will cause the model to update. This tutorial is now complete.